Hello everyone, so one day later, but well, as they commonly say, better later than never. Whatever, this is my weekly journal about my application development progress, and you may be wondering, how is it going, Matthias? Wrong. No, not wrong. I mean, it goes well, but the thing is that okay, now you're seeing ChatGPT. The backend always goes faster than the frontend. Everybody knows that. So the thing is that, as you can see here, I've been committing a lot in the backend. Okay, even today. Okay, I've just finished committing some, as you can see here, remove exception, etc. And I've been doing a lot of backend job and not as much front-end job. Okay, so currently the application almost looks the same as before. However, I've already connected the front-end with the backend, so I already can create projects in Postgre. Okay, I can already create projects in Postgre, and also use project flow and list projects in menu. So the thing is that I don't have the application running right now, so you can't see anything, but I can try running it now. The thing is that my PC is it's horrible. It's really slow, my PC. I'm gonna solve that. Okay, my new laptop is coming soon, so it just has to be delivered, but I'm really excited for that. Well, the thing is that I can execute now the project. Whatever. So, okay, not that much front-end job, but a lot of backend job. I've Dockerized the app, I've added test containers, I've removed H2 because I had H2 from last summer. Because as you know, this project started in summer 2025, okay, and I've retaken it now. I've retaken it now. So added test containers, added some tests, but I'm not doing that much test. Okay, it's a bad practice. I know that. Normally I follow TDD, like test-driven development. But the fact is that I don't have time. Like with 5 hours a week of invested in this project, I can't be testing that much. I mean, I need to ship things. So the thing is that I'm not adding that much test. Maybe I use AI in the future for following TDD, but not right now. Test would drag me back a lot. So I've also implemented milestones, blah blah blah. So, do I have the application running already? Okay, so it took a bit, but I already have the application running. So, as you can see here, okay, this is the current application state. Ignore this. So you can come here, say project title, come here, description, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna add some numbers here because I don't know if it's duplicated. So create, refresh, the IP address change. Okay, now everything is right. So I come here. So project, blah blah blah, a description, a category, create, refresh, and now you can see that the project was correctly created. So this is the current application state. It's not that much. It still looks ugly, really ugly. Forgive me for that. I'm trying to solve that with the Stitch, okay? Because I refuse to become now an UI UX designer, okay? I don't have that much time to now also become an UX designer. So I decided to delegate this to the AI. So the thing is that I've been playing a bit with the Stitch. So if you don't know what Stitch is, it's a Google tool, Google AI tool you can use to draft some UI designs in natural language. So as you can see, I have my conversation here with Stitch. I've been explaining my application, the project structure, the timing, the time tracking. So I'm quite happy with the results. I mean, it's way better than anything I could do or I could design. So yeah, you can see here, this is close to what I'm thinking, okay? So you can see here that we have the projects, the activity history, reports and analytics. You can see here the timer, and the create project page, the project details page with the reports for each project. You can see the milestones with all the set of tasks. You can see how to create a task, and here it's a experiment with the timer layout, whatever. This is a Stitch, okay? And I've been also exploring in Dribbble. Dribbble is a web page where you can get inspiration from other designers. And so, for example, this one, okay? I've searched here, okay? You can come here and say, for example, my application is a time tracking app, so time tracker. And you can see, you search, so you get results. You can pick on other ones, work, and you can get inspiration. So I've been a little bit exploring here. So that's it. I don't have any much more to show you because the application, as you can see, it's not that advanced. The thing is that today I've been adding error handling, exception handling, okay, with control advice, okay. So I added today global exception handling with this exception handler. The thing is that I think tomorrow and the next day, the next few days, I won't be adding this. Well, I won't be that meticulous with the error handling and error logic because it slows me down a lot and I want to ship faster. So I think tomorrow and the next 4 days I will try to have all this. So for this week I want to have all this flow, okay? I want to be able to come here. Okay, so with all the project list, this is already done, so you can see that the project list is here. Not beautiful, I know it's not pretty, but it's there. I just want to have this MVP of the flow, the page flows, okay. So as you can see, I already have this, and this goes to the create project page that it's already done, except for the tags, okay. And then if you click here, you would go to the project detail page, and this has to be done. And then here you can see the milestone section. You click here and you can go to the create milestone, and you then come back. And this is what I want to do this week. I think I can't do it because without AI, because I'm not using AI yet, I think I won't be able to ship that much, but I will try. And that's why I'm frustrated today, because today I just focused on the exception handling, and that's not shipping. So I want to see the application already. So I don't know if I can even have the delete pages models like I show here. So yeah, whatever. Later I will prettify the app, but for now I just want this basic flow. So with this and with Stitch and with the Dribbble page, I will try to get inspiration on prettifying the app. But yeah, whatever. This is the weekly journal about my application 1 day later, because as you can see now I'm already at my bedroom. So these next videos are going to be in my bedroom, and it's a nicer setup, as you can see. So yeah, I think that's all. And I'm a bit frustrated. I'm gonna share a little reflection with you. I'm a little frustrated because I'm refusing to use AI yet because I want to keep learning, and because I feel a bit rusted with React Native, for example. So I want to practice and keep me up to date with the last updates. And the same goes for Kotlin, Spring Boot. I want to keep practicing because I think it's beneficial for me to be practicing, for example, thinking about how can I structure the project, how can I structure controllers, how can I handle error handling. Like those things are, I think, is beneficial for you to not stop thinking. So in the moment I feel I'm not rusted anymore, I will start using Claude Code like crazy. But for now, no. For example, in this project common, so you can project infrastructure, you have here the controllers. I don't know, I just want to set up first the project and understand how I will how I will structure it, how I will be handling exceptions, how everything is connected. First, I want to set up all of that. Then I can go with AI. So yeah, that's my goal. So yeah, that's this weekly journal one day later because I had to come back to my home. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. I'm Matthias. I had GitHub open before, but now you can see it there. So I'm gonna show you here. You can follow me in GitHub if you want, and you can follow me in LinkedIn. Okay, you can follow me here too. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next week.